What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Sweets in a Boat, a YouTube channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying a boat in Stockholm Archipelago. Today I'm continuing upgrading my Regal 272 Commodore from 1995. My goal is to upgrade to more or less a modern boat. So in the last episode I was working on my underwater transom lights and I also started touching on some other projects. I got 3 of them right here lined up. One of them is continuing on my mid cabin. I gotta fix this port light. Previous owner has been trying to, remember I showed you has been leaking water and all that, so I've taken the carpet out, going to replace that, and also the vinyl insulation. This is the culprit. Here's where the water came in. That's rainwater. So this needs to be fixed. This previous owner has been trying to fix that with, like, I got tape here, I got different sealants, another type of tape. So doing some forensic on this one is quite interesting actually to see. So I'm going to try to clean this up, find the cause of the leak, perhaps if I can fix it, install it again on the boat, or if I need to buy a new one, I don't know. So I think I'm going to start with this one, start cleaning that up and see what I can do with it, and refurbish up that, and then I also have some board. Need to cut because over here is the old wood. It's gone here because of the water seepage. So that's the upper part, and the lower part was the one affected, of course, by gravity, where the water ended up. And that one goes around there. The outer part is screwed on there, and this one that way or the other way, and then this one is screwed through these holes into this board, and so I need to cut out new of these, and these are, I don't know, maybe 2 layers of mine, so do that, you see it's a little bit broken. I'm gonna use that as I can use this one as a template to cut the new ones. And also, I mean, I have this one as a template. When I cleaned it, I just put it on. Draw my lines, cut it out. That's also an option I have. So let's get started with this one. Clean it up, make it look good. See if we can reuse it. And also, you have the issue of the transparency here. Perhaps that's also fixable with some sort of polish or something like that. So let's get started. These are the screws for miscellaneous things. They're all the same, independent of where they're going, if they're going to hold the outer part or inner part. See if there's any difference. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 are for the outer part that is outside on the hull, and 10 are to 10 of them are to attach this to this wood here, and with the thickness and everything, it's actually almost going through. I don't know what impact that has. No, it hasn't gone through, because there's insulation and vinyl as well. It's gonna be holding that, and also the thickness of this one. So probably the screws are pretty good. And they also work for if I use 2 of my boards to make that happen. But first of all, let's put these screws aside and try to see what we can do with this. This is the inside. That's the lower part, upper part, and this one connects to the outer part, which is still on the boat. I haven't detached that one. This is pushed through, and then there's a sealant here. But I don't really know where the water came. You can see remnants here of water. Also up here there's been some water. But you can see also from these hinges that there's some There is some rust and a little bit of that, and so I don't know where the water, perhaps the water came through these, could have gone through these holes here, because I don't know or if the water came in between the two parts and took a turn in and came through the window. There's a gap here in the window. Let's zoom in there. There's a gap here. It's not really closed. Previous owner doing the forensic analysis of this is just tape and sealant, and there's tape here. I mean, I don't know what happened, what he was trying to do, but that this is not like a sustainable solution. Would never really, you know. The sealants, one is like transparent. It's not silicone, something else. And then also like in between here, there is some another black sealant. Let's try to open this up. Lost one screw here, but let's open this up and see if it's salvageable, if we can save it, and take it from there. So I don't know if this is the original sealant in here, like the original gasket, or if this is done afterwards. Keep that watertight. And also, this is not the original hinges up here. Some after construction, something like that. Alright, let's start doing this. let's try to cut these profiles out now. Dropped it in the floor. The floor one. Guys, that's all I can do for today. Continue working on my window there, but also start looking into the bracket for the nav light and also that door. But I need to catch you on another day. And please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification so you don't miss out on the future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.